Today we're going to make stuffed bell peppers. Make sure that you get 6 of these, any color that you like. Now, if that's the perfect size, if you have, and I told you the color doesn't matter. You're gonna need 1 cup of rice cooked. I'm gonna show you how to make the rice in another video. You're gonna need this blend of cheeses. It has Asiago cheese, Parmigiano cheese, and Romano. I use this one because it has all the 3 cheeses that I like, but it's up to you. You can choose your favorite cheese, especially Italian cheese. You're gonna use olive oil, and I use organic ground beef in 1 pound, and garlic, of course, minced garlic. You're gonna need tomatoes that you're gonna peel the skin, and also in this recipe I'm gonna show you how to do that. And you're going to need 1 onion chopped. You're going to need capers if you like capers. If you don't like capers, it's up to you, it's optional. You're gonna need basil, fresh basil. And if you don't want to do the tomatoes, you can replace the tomatoes with tomato sauce, Italian, your favorite one. And of course, Maldon salt, you know that is my favorite. So that's what you need. Let's get to it. To prepare the bell peppers, cut the top this way, and you're gonna take all the seeds that are inside. Use your knife carefully. Then with your hand, take all the seeds and put it away. Tap, if you get more seeds, just make sure that it's clean like this. Okay, our beautiful bell peppers are clean and the tops are chopped so it will be integrated with the other ingredients. Okay, to make the tomato sauce, you boil the tomatoes. Take the tomatoes out of the boiling water, let them cool, and then you're gonna peel the skin gently, like this. Just peeling the skin gently. And after this, you're just going to chop them in big pieces to make the sauce that is going to be around your bell pepper. So we're browning the ground beef with olive oil, and we're mixing all the vegetables, onion, garlic, and bell peppers, chopped bell peppers, and you're gonna add basil. You can add it with your hands, you can chop them with scissors, and that's it. All right, we're ready to mix all the ingredients, combine all the ingredients. We have the ground beef. Make sure that you let it cool a little bit. You have the vegetables. Like I said, make sure that you let them cool a little bit, because if you're going to stuff your bell peppers, and if you want to use your hands, you don't want to burn your hands. Now we're going to add the rice. The recipe for white rice, simple white rice, I put it in another video, and it's really good for this recipe and others. So, and you start combining all the ingredients. We're going to add the salt to give it a taste, and I always use Maldon salt, a smoked Maldon salt. That's my favorite, but you can use any other kind of salt. That's my favorite. Then you're going to start adding the capers. I told you capers are optional. And then the blend of the 3 cheeses, Parmigiano, Romano, and Asiago. They sell it as a blend, and you can use it. I'm gonna save a little bit for the top of the bell peppers, but that's a lot of cheese. That's a lot of goodness. Then you're gonna have all your ingredients together, and once you have all of them combined, we're gonna start stuffing the bell peppers. If you want to use your hands, remember always, and when you're in the kitchen, and wash your hands so you can manage all your ingredients carefully and safely. All right, we're ready to stuff our bell peppers. All right, we're ready to stuff our bell peppers. Make sure that you fill them all the way up, nice and tight. All right, we're ready for the last part. Look at these wonderful bell peppers. They smell delicious. So on the tomatoes, I put the basil, a little bit of oregano, and if you want parsley, if you don't have fresh parsley, you can add dry parsley. So what I'm going to do, add this to the container with the bell peppers, and we're just going to make sure that they on top, around, and once you put them in the oven, of course the smell is going to be amazing. Remember, this dish is originally from Italy. That's why it has all those Romano, Parmigiano, Asiago cheeses. So we're gonna top it with more olive oil and the rest of the cheese on each one. And make sure, I mean, you can add all the cheese if you want. It depends on your taste. I like it. All right, oops. Okay, if you have leftovers, you can eat the stuffing by itself. So now we're gonna take this to the oven and we're going to bake it for 400 Fahrenheit for 1 hour. So do the oven, there you go. Look at this beauty. And 400 degrees. And we're going to put them in there for 1 hour. See you later. Now look at this beauty. Stuffed bell peppers, my style. Enjoy it. It's really delicious. Happy eating. Until next time.